Your subscribers keep reducing every day or every minute because you got those subscribers in an illegal way. You've probably been doing the sub for sub thing or vibe with me or vibe for vibe thing wrongly. Now, there's a right way to do that. I'm not going to go into that in this video. Probably in next video, I'm going to do that. But right now, let's talk about what you have been doing wrongly, why your subscribers are reducing every day. Now, YouTube wants you to grow and let people engage on your content and find your content and your channel interesting and subscribe, not you really indulging them to do so. Now, if they must subscribe to your YouTube channel, they should at least watch your videos. YouTube actually frowns out people just going ahead to click on subscribe without first watching your videos and engaging on your content. So if you have been doing sub for sub or vibe with me, at least let them know that you would like them to watch one or two of your videos and engage before subscribing to your YouTube channel. Not just going to click on the name and subscribe and not engaging on any content. Even if you get 100 subscribers today from sub for sub, like people just going ahead to subscribe to your channel without watching or engaging your videos. By tomorrow morning when you wake up, you discover that those 100 or maybe 80 would have gone, YouTube would have removed like 80 of those subscribers. And the next day, those 20 would go also. And this is the simple reason they did not indulge in your videos, they did not engage on your videos, they did not watch your videos, they did not go through your channel before subscribing. And that is what YouTube wants. Go through the channel, engage on the videos before you subscribe, and then those subscribers will stay and count as your subscribers. If you are not doing it the right way, by the morning when you wake up, you discover that more than half of those subscribers have gone away. YouTube has removed them because they are invalid as far as YouTube is concerned. They did not follow the usual process. They just did shortcuts, and YouTube doesn't want shortcuts. I really hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found something that you learned. If you learned something from this video, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment for me. Also, don't forget to share this video so that more people can be aware of this. So bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.